CX1200E Digital Color Label Press. Save time and money by producing your own short-run digital labels. The CX1200E Digital Color Label Press delivers short-run, full-color label printing at a breakthrough price. CX1200E utilizes one of the fastest and highest resolution color laser engines available, delivering the quality, speed, and flexibility of digital presses costing many times more. CX1200E produces gorgeous, professional quality labels at up to 16 feet or 5 meters per minute. It saves you time and money by quickly producing the highest quality labels in the quantities you need right in your office or production facility. CX1200E is easy to operate. Just load up the CX1200E with an approved laser substrate. Select your label design and quantity and start printing. CX1200E is also highly economical to operate. Extra high-capacity toner cartridges are easily replaced in just seconds. Advanced inks and software keep precise track of toner levels, saving you money on every run. From pressure-sensitive papers to white and clear polyesters and more, CX1200E gives you maximum substrate options. One of the best things about the CX1200E is that it gives you the flexibility to produce just a few labels to tens of thousands of labels at a time. It's perfect for private labeling and manufacturers who need to make multiple versions of the same label. Digital printing is the clear choice for companies that need to make short to medium length runs of labels. CX1200E is the best digital label printing solution you'll find at anywhere near its price. For fast, easy, and affordable digital label finishing, add Primera's FX1200E digital finishing system. To laminate, digitally die cut, remove waste matrix, slit, and rewind. Together, CX1200E and FX1200E are a revolutionary and complete digital label production solution. To learn more about Primera's CX1200E Digital Color Label Press and FX1200E Digital Finishing System, visit us on the internet at www.primeralabel.eu.